Many people think they need at least 20% of a down payment in order to buy a house. But really, minimum down payment is actually only 5% of the purchase price. A rule of thumb to see how much of a mortgage you qualify for is roughly 5 times your household annual income. So, if your income is $100,000, you would roughly qualify for around $500,000. You will need a minimum of 5% of the purchase price for your down payment. Now in this case, it would be $25,000. You still need to account for closing costs like land transfer tax and legal fees. A great way to save up your down payment is to pretend like you have a mortgage already. Figure out what your monthly expenses would be for a mortgage, utilities, property tax, as if you owned the house already. What are your monthly costs?
Let's see here, balloon payment, 37% interest compounded every minute, not understanding the contract fee, and here's your new monthly payment.
Take that and pay yourself. Put it into an RRSP or a savings account. If you're renting, take the difference and put it in your savings account. $100,000 of mortgage is roughly $500 a month. $500,000 mortgage, it's about $2,500 a month. By doing this, you'll adjust your lifestyle to the budget of being a homeowner. The debate will always be adjusting your lifestyle to your budget or your budget to your lifestyle.
We should be honest here. We have no income flow.
No savings, no credit.
Yeah, how about something nice, a 3-bedroom?
3 does sound bigger.
You don't need a wine cellar if you want to do wine tastings in your butler's kitchen.
It's about the lifestyle you want to live and the affordability. Do you still want to go out once in a while? Do you want to go on vacation? How long do you want to live at home for? How long do you want to rent? Are you ready to adult? Give me a call.
With the clothes I burn, yeah,